Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I'm gonna give you a quick rocker style chic makeup. My eyebrows and my eyelids are already primed, and I'm starting off with this I'm mixing two colors. This is two brown, cool tone brown as a transition color. I'm using this little hack here just so I create a sharp edge and I don't go past my eyebrow. The key to this look is really all about blending, and just blending. For some reason I had a hard time with this look. I'm now going into this black charcoal eyeshadow, and you really want to just start off by adding a little bit and just keep adding, and as well as blending. I go back and forth with using my finger and the brush.
As long as everything is blended in well, whether it's with your finger or a brush, that's all really that matters. Alright, now I'm grabbing some concealer and I'm going to be making a cut halfway through my eyelids, and I bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. And to set that concealer, I go back into the palette and use that really white eyeshadow. Now I am going in with this metallic, really dark silvery gray color. This palette is discontinued and it was by BH Cosmetics. And I am applying that right over the concealer part, which is mainly on the inner corners. Now I'm going back into the James Charles Morphe palette and using that really champagne cream color and going over it on the metallic that I just applied. Alright, now I'm just prepping my eyelashes with some mascara to prep it for some false lashes. And I'm cleaning up the edges again with this concealer stick. Now I'm using this really precise black liquid eyeliner. Which I feel like the eyeliner makes the eyes look more cat eye. And I'm going to apply these fall lashes. These are really thick falsies, and I'm also going to apply some eyeliner on the bottom line. I am also going back in to kind of smudge it, so I'm using that same black charcoal that I used on the outer corners, and I'm using it to smudge it out. Now I am lining my lips. Honestly, I hate doing lining my lips. This is like my least favorite part within makeup. Now I am applying this nude peachy matte lipstick. I think it probably would have looked better if it was more of a brown tone lipstick, but working with what I got. Now I just pretty much decided to leave my hair down. Didn't really know what else to do with it. And I'm applying a little bit of highlighter. And yeah, guys, that is the final look for my rock concert makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Hey guys, okay, so it is actually the next day. This is honestly how I'm gonna go. Like, I'm just literally just gonna wear like barely any makeup because there's a huge storm coming and we have to drive like an hour to the place. So I'm gonna wear like, and I don't know if like our tickets are like under like a roof thingy, because I think that place is like half out, it's outside, so some of the area is covered, but I don't know if our tickets are seated under the area with the roof, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm barely wearing any makeup because I was like, maybe I should put some eyeliner, but then I was like, you know, that shit's gonna smudge, so I'm really not wearing anything. I'm just kind of wearing a little bit of like a BB cream, some bronzer, my eyebrows, and that's it, and probably put some lipstick on, but that's about it. But I just want to show you guys the outfit that I'm going to be wearing. So this is the little quick little outfit thing that I'm just going to wear. So I just have this like black shirt that kind of has this like halter thingy, I don't know how to explain it, with this little necklace, and then these like ripped jeans. Most likely I have a belt that I'm gonna, like a little skinny belt that I'm gonna put here, and then I have these like ripped jeans that I kind of rolled up on the ankles and my black Vans. So here is my rock concert. If it wasn't raining, I probably would have switched these for my ripped denim shorts. And it's pouring outside. Great. So let me show you guys. Yeah, it's fucking pouring. So look at that. Look at that. What in the world? So my friend should actually be on the way, and we need to drive an hour over there.
It's young money militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want to stop. We take us the essence of militia. I'm so misunderstood, but what's the world without the enigma? Two bitches at the same time, synchronized swimmers. I